everyone, and welcome back in my channel today. Hope you are doing well and great, and definitely with God's grace everything is going good at your side as well. Today I come up with a very new topic which I can say that I learned and I want to share the knowledge with you guys. This topic has a theme on the incident management, but it is not a normal incident, or I can say it is not a normal major incident. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is called the security incident response, a quick overview. Some video I saw and I thought let me share my knowledge as well on that part so that we can grow, learn and grow together here. So before I start to take you on the demo part, let's understand that what is a security incident. If I talk about the layman language, in the layman word, in the layman area, something which breaking my personal stuff is a security breach. Someone try to enter in my house without my permission, it is security breach. And then we raise the incident, we call to police and all the things will be happen. ServiceNow also provide a full-fledged product, or I can say in the form of the module, to their customers where they can keep a record of a security incidents as well. I'm not going to say that how to be configured. No, I'm just telling you very overview, high level overview that how it's look like and what is the life cycle will be happen in this particular area. Few plus and minus will be there. And definitely if you find something which is important I missed out, please add into the comment section. So now let's start with the security incident response here. Before I'll show you in the demo part, let me show you that how I can install this particular security incident response. Number one, it is a scoped application. So you can see I have a security incident response. Here you can see I have activated that plugin. How to get that plugin? You can go here. Let me open the new window. Which plugin is required? Again, I'm not going in very depth. It is just a functional part I'm going to tell you here. And let me find out. You can search here security incident, URITY incident. It's not management, it's response. Okay, security incident response, and if you scroll down you will find this plugin available, this one. So I activated this plugin. When I click on this activated this plugin, I can get other plugins as well, or I can say other options, other modules as well in the ServiceNow. Response, UI, operations spoke and all things will be there. Okay, one thing is important here. Now in the security incident, who or how it can be done, that is more important. That is the most important to understand here. Means like in the ITSM we have a major role called the ITL. We have the incident manager, we have SN_read role, write role, and we have a major incident manager role as well. But here how it will look like, if you can go here and let me search for the roles, users administration role, and let me show you on the security. It's SN_SI, this one. So it starts from SN_SI. So SI admin is there, analyst is there, basic, CISO, external, integration user, knowledge admin, because in this particular domain, in the security SecOps domain, which we say, in short we call it SecOps. In the SecOps domain, a totally different type of people work, different type of group work. It's not similar, or I can say same as the incident management, but it can be a separate branch of the same. So you can see, even though to maintain the knowledge article, they have a separate role available. SI manager who is leading and all are doing all the work in the management perspective, read, special access, all are there for this particular part. Now, how I can create the security incident? There are mainly 3-4 ways a ServiceNow giving to us. Number one, you can create manual via incident management module. Number two, you can create via security incident interface. Number three, you can create via email parsing, that if some email is going or your user is sending email, it contains some specific words, it has been done, that you can do, or by some automation rules or something is there, or kind of an inbound actions I can say here. So I'm going to be show you here. Let's say I want to create a security incident. So I can go here, incident first. Let's say if I don't want to expose my users the interface which is given by ServiceNow for the security incident. So when you click on the open, it will not applicable for the new button. So new incident, it should be, the incident should be created number one. So let me say I'm using this one, and I will get an option here called the security incident. Now what we can do, we can configure this UI action for a specific rules as well, because as of now I'm logging as an admin and I have given all the required rules to my admin user as well. But practically you can define that what are the right users who need to be create a record, or create an incident which is belong to security one. One thing important to be understand, if I click on this create security incident, my new incident will get created, and you can see the number is SIR. It means these two are two separate records, number one, and these two are coming from the two different tables. When this record has been created, we have some severity calculators, because security incident is not like just someone go and click on the create new and it will create it. No, it must have some impact. These are things maybe I can bring something in the later part. So this is one record I can see. Let me go and see anything added in the related record. Nothing has been added here. Child incident, you can see this option has been created here. So it means by using this UI action, this record will get created automatically. There is a number one way that we can create. So you can click on this now and it will be coming here. As of now, my understanding says, or what I understood, what I learned specifically, that there is no direct relationship between these two incidents. Like if I'm closing a parent incident, will it get closed? Nothing to be said, because I did not reach up to that level for my understanding perspective. That's the first part. You can create the security incident. Now on the second part, you can create the security incident from the catalogs as well. And again, important point is that URIT security incident catalog as well, you can see. Now, in short, if I say, in other words, if I say in ServiceNow term, I can say it's kind of a record producer, but a few baseline things has been given. I was watching one video where that lady told about this. We generally say that it is out of the box given by ServiceNow. Instead of that, we should say that it is the baseline configuration given by ServiceNow. I like that part. Instead of saying out of the box, these are the baselines configuration given by ServiceNow. But now again, it depends on these catalog items. We can define user criteria that who can use, who cannot use. Maybe some of the high level of the business side, or maybe some external customers. I just want to show some of the catalogs, not the other one. So this was the second type. And if I click on this one, denial of service, sorry. So I can see this one, inbound, outbound. I can click on the inbound. It will open this form like this. Location, and click on the submit here. My incident, security incident will get created. I'm again repeating, it's not incident, it's a security incident get created here. Okay, regarding request and all the things will be there. But out of the box, again, sorry, not out of the box, in the baseline configuration, these things has been given. Now, what is the third option or third way to create the security incident? You can come here in the security operations, go here and check on the scroll down and come here. Number one, you can get a incident new UI here, but it is not, or there is nothing called the create a new option here. So don't get confused that in the incident we have a create new, but here, no, you will not find that part. Other than this, if you want to do, I'll come back this part as well. Let me say, show open incident, sorry. And when I click on this, I will get a new option here. Click on the new. Not sure, ServiceNow don't want to promote this view. That is, they don't have that option on that module level, but it's totally up to them. So now you can see that I have opened this particular form here. The same thing what I can do here, I can click here and now I can click on the incidents new UI. It means it will open me in some kind of a workbench or kind of a workspace. Sorry, not the workbench, it's kind of workspace it will open. So like this, it will open for me. Okay, it's a new interface. Again, something new ServiceNow bringing, so we can make a use of these things as well. And here you can click here, or you can click on the create incident here. It will open a new incident form. Things are similar if you see like this form and if you see like this form, both are same, but the only way changes are bringing here. You can click on the open the new window completely want to be open, you can do that part. Okay, so let's say I want to put the Beth Angeline here, and I can put the affected user, so its location has been come. Category I can put denial of services, so kind of say I can say categories are my catalog items which you just see here, and some category if you want to put, you can put it here, or here I can put the SAP server 1. Okay, and now I can see here incident details, who can read, who can write, all the things will be there. Related records, if it is created from the parent one, which we remember that 001, then parent record will become here. MPR etiquette cards, as of now I'm not going to discuss this part, I'm going to say hello from LNG. And now you can define business impact. It's coming from, I guess, from the relationship only. Important point is that it does not contain it, or security incident don't have a state transition like new, in progress, or resolve, or closed, or on hold kind of things. They don't have like this. They have a draft analysis, contain, eradicate, and recover. So this is something new we have to be understand here. So let's say I put him on the draft only. Substrate you want to put pending change, pending incident, you can put that part, that's fine. Source type, it's coming from email, endpoint security, network, phone, you can put that as well. That's totally up to you. Alert sensor, if you have any kind of a email parsing kind of things or the third-party tool, you can see options here as well. Okay, and now I click on the create here. Same thing I can do from this option as well. The only thing is that if you go to the new UI form, new UI way, you will not find this particular progress bar or the banner frame. This progress bar, but you will find this banner frame or the progress bar in this particular native view. So now you can see my incident has get created here. So this is the creator, and you can see score is 92. How this score get calculated? Let's wait for some more videos to come back on this particular part. And if you want to create a normal incident for this, you can create the normal incident as well. You can create change, you can create outage, you can do the refresh impacted services, you can calculate the severity as well, because when we talk about the security incident, we have to make sure that severity is more important, impact is more important to be understand. Maybe there's no severity, there's no impact, then instead of creating a high level, it can be low level as well. Okay, repair SLA and all the things will be there. And if you click on the more, I like this view practically if I say, because it's little compact, but again it depends on user to user as well. So you can see the work notes, nothing has been added, no related security incident, no observations there, and nothing has been set on that part. Configuration item is there. You can see here maximize, delete, edit headers, you can do that part. Then affected users are there, and let's say explore. What you want to be explore here, kind of a search, you want to be explore users, investigation, you want to do some kind of a things, kind of a playbooks I can say. We can discuss your incident, timelines are here like this. Your SLAs, or I can say the activity logs are here. And also good option is that with the last comment, you can see like top, up and down here. Something good I like. If you want to do something on the playbook level, because to sort out these issues, we have the playbooks as well. Again, nothing going in the deep as of now. We'll discuss in time by time, side by side, in our learning path. You can send the email as well. You can put attachment. You want to edit the record, you can edit the record as well. And last, you can come here. You can put the quick filter as well here. So this is what that I can say that we can do. Now, if I go here, because let me say if I put if I put Beth Angeline again, let me put the configuration item as SAP, and let me put category as a criminal activity, and let's say LNG not involved. Okay, and click on the save here. So now you can see if it get, so now you can see it is a priority 1, impact 1, priority 1, risk very high, severity very. It means it's required immediate attention here. Also, one thing good which I found here is that you can add the security tags as well. Like it can be a major incident or minor incident kind of things you can do at this particular part, and it has been assigned to security incident assignment group here. Configuration item is there, affected user. As of now, there is no user list has been added. Now, what is the next part to be discussed here? If you want to open this incident in the workspace, you can open that as well. And also you can click here and you can see incident security incident response workspace as well. Means ServiceNow give me a functionality again and again to do something different, which I like actually. So this is not the workspace. Don't get confused. That is a workspace. No, this is not a workspace. This is just an interface given by ServiceNow to use that part. Okay, let me show you the workspace. So this is what the workspace given by ServiceNow. What is today's is there, what is upcoming is there, and I can click on this part here, security incident, and I can see my this thing. Now the question can become, Atul, can we see the security incident in the service operational workspace? No, not recommended, because these two are the two different workspaces and has been meant for the two different type of groups or the user to be used here. Now I'm coming to the one more point here, that is including is called the major security incident. We know that major incident is the one of the concept has been given by in the available in ServiceNow as well. In the similar manner, we have a major incident as well. And to do that part, again, important is that here is a separate major incident, major role available, which can propose or promote that particular part. So simple thing, right click. Let me see if I have something, calculate severity, no. Let me go to analysis phase, if I can do something here. Or maybe I don't have that role available with me. Let me see. No, I'm not getting here. Maybe that's not, let me see here. Do I have this particular option, major incident? No, I don't. Okay, why it is not appearing for me? Because I don't activated that particular plugin. So I have a major security incident as well. Major security. So this one I have to be installed. Once I install this, then I will get the two UI actions option here on the incident as well, that I can promote or propose it as well. So this is what we have to be seen, and I'm definitely going to be covered in the next section that how I can use or how it can be look like in this part. So now it is analysis phase. If you want, you can create any response task as well. It is like similar incident task, but it is a response task which you are going to be assigned to some specific group to check the responsibility. And you can say, let's investigate here and click on the, what I can say, submit. Here it's a draft, ready, assigned, and work in progress. It's not like the previous one. So I can put ready. Let me click save here. And I can put, let's say, assigned need to be do. That is important. So now I remember that assigned was, okay, assigned is the one of the state which has been used by ServiceNow in this particular domain only. Okay, there's nothing called assignment. There's no member here. Maybe my users don't have a specific roles here. It's showing no member. Maybe I have to get new one. Okay, so then once you assign, you can go to the ready to assign to work in progress, because out of the box I'm saying again, in the baseline configuration, ServiceNow did not give any group members here. So it's not working on that part. And now I can go to this particular parent incident again. It is starting from SIT and SIR. Let me open this record again. Let's say discard. One thing which is important to understand, that which table it is using. Is it coming from the task table or not? Let's go and right click configure and click on the table here. Let me see here. Okay, let's see if it worked fine for us. Okay, table, yes. So it is not extending the task table, it is extending the service order table. That is important point, and I say that it is a scoped application, but at last service order is extending to the task table. In short, this particular table is getting the functionality or I can say the fields which are available on the service order to the incident as well is coming on this particular part only. Okay, it's giving me some error, so I will not do this part. Let me see why it's not working for me. Let me open the workspace quickly here, or let me click here, open any options for the workspace here. Yeah, switch to SIR workspace. Let's say maybe it's quickly open it here. Okay, it's taking time for me, not a problem. And you can use this edit filters, open incident, you can see 0 incidents or the priority. Again, this is a UI which is given by ServiceNow. If you want, you can make a changes here. All open incident you can see here, like this. You can see here a good options means security incident, all incidents you can see. I can click on the all incidents here. Okay, some 500 errors there. Maybe it's not working for me, something wrong. Maybe it's not properly installed as well, so I have to do that part again. Okay, so let me come back here for a quick revision that what we have seen here. Number one, we have seen that what is a security incident. Number two, what plugins are required. Number three, what roles are required for this one. And number four, that how to create a security incident in ServiceNow, whether 3 different or the 4 different methods as well. So now I'll stop myself here. If you get some knowledge, please like this video and share with your friends and colleagues in your office and in your other places as well. And I'll come back again with some other video on the survey on the same thing in some other day. Till the time, take care and bye bye guys. Have a nice day.